something new. It's a 2006 GTO LS2, and we are about to slap a cam, converter, long tubes on it. This is Darren Smith's buddy, Big Steve. Let's calling him out. This is another Smith Auto Works production. And this should be a fun one, so we'll just get right into it. This is as far as we got after day one. We are at the point of compressor removal. I think we're gonna take the power steering pump off, maybe the alternator, and unbolt the engine mounts, and unbolt the bell housing bolts, and yank it out. Throw it up on the stand, and get to work. So Darren will be here in just a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get started on some of these other things. All right, well, after about an hour of fiddling around, we are ready to come out. We got the compressor off, just kind of dangling. There's this bracket to the oil pan. Another transmission line bracket back here had to undo. This was super easy to come off. The power steering pump alternator, super simple, 3 bolts and the wire. And I went ahead and there were some brackets on the back of the engine, and I've taken 5 of the bell housing bolts out. So we have the very top bell housing bolt and 2 on the bottom, and I sprayed the dowel pins with PP Blaster, and hopefully that will come off. The Aussies did us a solid on these, and there's already hooks ready to go. So we just have to hook right to those. And nothing really up in the way up here, and should be able to just come up and out. So as soon as Darren's fat ass gets here, we will get that going.
Yes.
All right, well, we're back at it today. It's Sunday, and we are ready to go back in. Engine's put back together. Everything's torqued down properly. The video, my phone, or sorry, my studio production camera ran out of space as we were torquing everything down to the correct specs. Don't know what this is. It was there already, this like shmoo goo tape thing. But yep, everything went back together perfectly. So time to throw the torque converter in and throw the engine in. We're gonna measure the torque converter spacing to flex plate. Should be an 1/8 inch to 3/16. So you just take some drill bits and put them in between, you know, the pads of the torque converter. Just make sure you got the right space. And we'll add washers if we need to. If not, we'll bolt it in. And the rest of it gets slammed back together. So pretty excited to have this thing wrapped up and give her a start and see how it sounds. Oh yeah, we got to fit the headers in too. So I think we're just gonna kind of drop them in, drop the engine in, and then bolt them in once it's all in. So we'll just wait for Darren to get here and we'll get back going.